In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a booking form in Google Sites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a working booking form onto the right page of your site using a form you've already built in Google Forms. This is a simple, reliable way to collect appointment requests, event registrations, or service bookings without extra plugins. First, open your Google site and navigate to the page where you want the form to appear. Think about where it will be most helpful for visitors. A dedicated bookings page is great for clarity, while adding it to a contact or services page can reduce clicks. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can make changes to the page layout before you add the form. Next, look for the Insert menu and choose Forms. In Google Sites, Insert is your hub for adding content like images, documents, and interactive items. When you select Forms, a panel appears that lists your existing Google Forms, making it easy to find the one you've prepared for bookings. Now, select an existing Google form designed for bookings. If you don't have one yet, create one first so it includes the essentials you need, like name, contact details, a date or time preference, and any specific information required to confirm a booking. Keep your questions clear and concise, and only ask for information that's necessary. The form you pick here will be embedded on the page, and it stays connected to Google Forms, which means any updates you make to the form later, like tweaking questions or adjusting the confirmation message, will reflect automatically on your site. Once the form is placed, you'll see it sitting on your page just like any other element. Visitors will be able to fill it out directly on your site, and their responses will go into the form's response collection in Google Forms, keeping everything organized in one place. If you've set up a response spreadsheet in Google Forms, the data will accumulate there as well, which is helpful for tracking and follow-up. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Check that your booking form settings in Google Forms match your needs, such as whether email collection is enabled and whether respondents need to be signed in. Keep your form's branding consistent with your site by using matching colors and a simple header. And remember, you can always refine your questions in Google Forms to reduce back and forth later. That's all it takes to add a booking form in Google Sites. Keep it simple, keep it clear, and let the form do the work for you.